Hello everyone and welcome to the North Country Outdoor channel. This is like a channel update video. I want to update you guys on some stuff that's going on. If you've never been here before, if you are new here, my name is Eric. This is the North Country Outdoor channel, and when you guys hit the subscribe button, you make up the North Country Nation. So do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, jump on the North Country train. Let's do it different. Let's talk about business. Let's talk about anything you guys want to talk about. I'm not limited to any one thing. You can give me ideas and I can talk about that. I do enjoy guns and knives and diesel trucks and all the guy stuff, but YouTube's kind of cracking down on the guns and such. So as you can see, I have a couple guns in the background. I have my AR-15 hanging there. I have a Marlin model 1894 chambered in 44 caliber lever action cowboy gun. That thing's pretty badass. I'm not really doing anything with them, so YouTube should be fine with it. Anyway, so the first update that I want to give you guys is I think I'm gonna go live on YouTube more. I'm gonna do more live streaming on YouTube, and part of the reason for that is because it gives me the ability to do the same thing, present the same information to you guys, but it also allows me to do it in a way that you can immediately interact with me and give me feedback. So I think that might be a positive thing. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. I'm thinking maybe 1 or 2 times a week it would be cool to go live. You guys could ask me questions, you know, and I could continue to talk about the topic that I want to talk about. You just need to understand that when questions start getting asked, you know, the conversation goes this way and then it goes this way, and you know, who knows how long the live stream will go for. I would like to keep it under 45 minutes if possible. You know, feature length, people are just busy and they don't have time for that. And part of the reason I want you guys to know that I get complaints that I'm always in my truck, that I'm always sitting still, that you guys want to see this, that you guys want to see that, but you have to understand that I'm not doing it for where I'm making the video, whether it's in my office, in my truck, in the field, it doesn't matter. I'm doing it to get you guys the information that nobody gave me when I was starting out in business. So I kind of do it podcast style, so you're able to, if you want to stare at me, fine. If you want to pop in an earbud and go about your day and just listen to what I have to say, that works too. So the second thing is, guys, I'm really excited about this. There's another entrepreneur in my town. His name is Ryan Chikelli. He owns a few different companies, Keystone Retirement Services. He also owns SNR Outdoor Service, and he has invited me to be a guest on his podcast tomorrow night called the Paradigm Shift Podcast. Now, I'm going to leave a link in the description to that podcast. Like the page. It should notify you because we're going to go live on Facebook, and I just want to give you guys the opportunity to, you know, to see me and support me on a different platform, Facebook Live. So again, Paradigm Shift Podcast. I will put the link in the description so you guys can make sure that that you go like that and then get notified when we go live tomorrow night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I live in Michigan. It's Eastern Standard Time, 7 p.m. We're going to be live on Facebook, and we're going to be talking about how I became successful, the things that I had to overcome in business, and how I got to where I'm at today. I'm going to kind of tell my story. We'll probably plug my YouTube channel a little bit, and then we want to talk about retirement and how people my age, you know, in their 20s and 30s need to start planning differently for retirement, because Social Security is about to be wiped out by the baby boomers that are retiring in the thousands every day. So we're going to hit on a few different things. It's going to be a great time. I want you guys to come along with me. I want you to join me on this journey. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. I don't know how it's going to go. I think it's going to be a good time, and hopefully you guys can join me. So again, Paradigm Shift Podcast, link in the description, along with, you guys know, my Snapchat, my Instagram, my P.O. Box, my email. Any way you want to get a hold of me, it's in the description. So that's all I have for now. I want to keep this video under 5 minutes, and it's really going to be pushing it. So just remember, guys, tomorrow is a new day. Be creative and own it. You are beautiful. You are amazing. I freaking love you. And I'll see you tomorrow night at 7. Be there.